that option, your ladyship. I would, मेरा बस ये अगर आप ये करते हैं कि जी समीउल्लाह is no longer good law, it has to be overruled, तो उस पे जो principle, बस उस पे मेरे submission है कि जी जो उस पे past and closed transactions हैं, they will not be affected. उस पे आप judgment सिर्फ लिख लें. ITO versus cement agency.
5 साल तो मेरे ख्याल में पिछले इलेक्शन से गुजर चुके, कब हुए थे?
नहीं, मैं तो ये मेरी सबमिशन ये है जो स्टैट्यूट है 230 वो तो अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल है. आप सबसे अगर आप उसको ओवररूल करते हैं फिर मैं तो ये दो ऑप्शन जी क्योंकि मैं तो किसी एक साइड का प्लीड नहीं कर रहा.
पास्ट एंड क्लोज लिखा दो.
पास्ट एंड क्लोज जी. उस पे ITO versus cement agencies PLD 1969 Supreme Court 322 at 331 PLD 69 Supreme Court 322 at 331
जी.
और फिर है जी जो बाद में नूर मोहम्मद वर्सेस मोहम्मद इकबाल खान 1985 CLC 1280 at 1284, but 69 Supreme Court is the one that has been followed. और finally ये जो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि कोई स्टैचूट किसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोविजन की जो इंटरप्रिटेशन की हुई है सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने, उस इंटरप्रिटेशन को अंडू नहीं कर सकता. इस पे आप जजमेंट्स नोट फरमा लें सर. अल जहाद ट्रस्ट वर्सेस फेडरेशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान PLD 1987 Supreme Court 84 at 146 and 193.
Sorry, at
my lord, 146
and
193. My lord, Ghulam Mohiuddin versus Federation of Pakistan.
ये इसकी citation एक दफा है
PLD 97 Supreme Court 84 Al Jihad Trust versus Federation. दूसरा है जी गुलाम मोहिउद्दीन वर्सेस फेडरेशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान PLD 2023 सुप्रीम कोर्ट 825. और the relevant is at page 897 para 23 by Justice Munib Akhtar. Well, then actually there is a very good formulation by the High Court in TU Plastic Industry versus Federation of Pakistan 2019 PTD 1542 at 1550, which was then followed, my lord, that judgment has been followed by a division bench of the Sindh High Court in 2021 PTD 542.
So the proposition is that the statute cannot undo a constitutional amendment, which is a constitutional provision, which is interpreted by the Supreme.
Samiullah Baloch has held that this is what 62(1)(f) means. That then becomes, as held in Al-Jihad, that becomes part of the Constitution. That cannot be undone by.
In the absence of Samiullah, what's the position?
Once you do away with some,
then you can do anything.
No, but then you have to see whether Parliament has otherwise the competence in terms of Section 60, Article 62. And I'm saying there is no equivalent there of 63.
I understood your point.
So law here. Then your Lordship will have to fill in that gap, which your Lordships can do by relying on 63. That's my threefold submission. My Lord, I'm sorry if I haven't come up to your Lordship's.
No, actually, this last bit was very helpful. Don't mind my saying I'm a very candid person. I will praise when it's required and not praise when it's not required.
Maybe I will.
This last proposition was very good. And now, since we don't want anybody's right to be, there must be people here who are candidates for the forthcoming elections. And since they must not violate Islamic injunctions, and I'm sure everyone want to read their Asr prayers, so we will take a short break. Otherwise, someone may file declaration.
You're going to give us a synopsis?
Your Lordship will give me a day.
अगर आपके पास rough notes भी हैं, तो वो आपकी मर्जी है.
लिखते
थोड़ा सा मैंने लिखे हुए हैं, थोड़ा सा इनको पॉलिश
कि वो होगा. ये आपने हमारे व्यूज भी देखे होंगे तो आपके लिए बेहतर होगा.
जी
इनको ईमेल दे दें.
ये तो मिल जाएगा, वेबसाइट से ले लेंगे आप.
मैं कर लूंगा. नहीं तो इफ लॉर्डशिप
ईमेल कर दीजिए.
इफ लॉर्डशिप अलाउज मी, कोर्ट एसोसिएट को अगर मैं
या ईमेल भी कर दें.
ईमेल भी मैं कर
जो आपके आसान होगा.
ठीक है. माय लॉर्ड, आई हैव योर लॉर्डशिप परमिशन टू.
तो थोड़े से ब्रेक करके हम आते हैं.
मुझे इजाजत है जी. मैं
थैंक यू once again. Thank you very much for very short notice that we gave you. And please don't mind the tougher the question doesn't mean we disagree with you. We want to clarify our own thinking.
بالکل ٹھیک ہے سر. I'm very